Hello guys, so today it's gonna be time for lift kit. I will be put like I can show you 2.5 inches to put it just right there on the top. I think you don't gonna see nothing right there, but later we'll see everything. So I put it on the jacket. You can see the tires, and now I have to make a space for the screws down things. To lift it, I have to remove these things on this side, and on another side two computers, the fuse box and the computer. I think I have to remove these things. Okay, let's start it. There's another space to do this, so I think this is enough for me. Okay, and also I think I have to remove these things too. So the tires, you see. Okay, let's go. Okay, I can show you something. Sorry about this, but I'm already take this out, so you can see these things I had to take out for a little bit more space, so it looks like this. Almost ready. Okay guys, let's try this. Come on, no way, something wrong, just a little bit. It's supposed to be so perfecto, but it's not. So almost done. One side, just couple things. I think I have to order the one things longer, or maybe adjustment right there to the bottom, just a little bit. I have a space, so I can go just a little bit on the bottom, or just longer the one things. And also it's already here, so just put the tires, put these things and the tires, and that's it. This side done. Driver, no, yes, driver side. And